Now yes, we have identified this HA, HB, HC, HD, HE. Okay, so I'll write it as HE. Okay, this was HD, HC, which is highest, then HB and HA. Now the multiplicity. If you remember mass spectroscopy, in mass spectroscopy we get only lines, so it was called as line spectra. But this is not the case with NMR. Okay, each peak splits because of the proton present on adjacent carbon. Okay, if this is the proton, if I am talking about the peak of this proton, adjacent carbon pe if there is one more proton, then the peak of this proton will split, peak of this proton will split into two. So I call it as doublet. I call it as doublet. If on adjacent carbon there are two hydrogens, so based on n plus 1 rule, 2 plus 1 3, so this peak will split into triplet. Similarly, we have quartet, we have pentet, quintet, pentet is quintet only, then hextet, heptet, and so on. Okay, and intensity, why I have drawn doublet like this, why I have drawn triplet like this. So this intensity 1 is to 2 is to 1. If there is quartet, I will draw quartet like this, 1 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. So this intensity of the peak is based on Pascal's triangle. Okay, so if you see here, singlet I have drawn, singlet for HE. Now why singlet for HE? Because see, on adjacent there is no hydrogen, so singlet 0 plus 1 is 1, so that is singlet for this hydrogen. Next is again singlet for HD, singlet for HD, because HD के adjacent में this carbon is there on which there is no hydrogen, this carbon is there on which there is no hydrogen. So 0 plus 1 singlet, so singlet for HD also. Then next again singlet for HC also, because what is there adjacent to CH3 is this carbon, and on this carbon there is no hydrogen, so singlet for HC also. Then HB, for HB I have drawn quartet. Why quartet? Because HB के बाजू वाले कार्बन पे, this adjacent carbon has 3 hydrogens, so 3 plus 1 becomes 4, so that is quartet. This is 3 plus 1 becomes 4, so this is quartet for HB. And for HA it is triplet, because HA has adjacent to it this carbon, and this carbon has 2 hydrogens on it, so 2 plus 1 3, so that is triplet for HA.